perpendicular AD of triangle ABC intersect BC at a point D. Here it is given that BD, this length is 3 times of CD. This BD is 3 times of CD, which means BD is total, or BC is total 4 times of BC. BC is 4 times. Here 3 small part each equal to BD part. BD like this. 4 equal BD part makes the BC. AD perpendicular BC of triangle ABC and BD equal 3 times CD. Yes, it is given. CD is a small part which makes 4 times of CD make the BC. Okay, 4 times the CD make BC and 3 times CD make BD. This side 3 parts are there. Equals like CD, small, 3 parts make the BD. And total BC, here 3 part, 1 part, that is 4 parts are there. Now we need to prove twice AB square equal twice AC square plus BC square. BC square. Twice AB square, the whole is square, it is equal to twice AC square plus BC square. Now, if we take here this part or this part, you can take any 2 triangles you can begin. Either you can begin from this side or you can begin from this side. Let us begin that from right triangle ADB. From the right triangle ADB, this hypotenuse square equal sum of square of other 2 sides, which is BD square plus it is equal to AD square. AB square equal BD square plus AD square. Let us take equation 1. Let us take equation 1. Again, from right triangle this side, small right triangle is there, ADC, this triangle ADC, we have here hypotenuse AC square equal AD square plus CD square. AC square equal AD square plus CD square. Now we have here AD square. Therefore, this one we keep right hand side AD, other this CD, let us bring this side. Here, which is equal AC square minus CD square equal AD square, equation 2. From equation from equation 1 and 2. Here AB square equal BD square plus, in place of AD, we will put this AD value AC square minus CD square. AC square minus CD square. Now AB square equal, let us take AC square plus this BD square minus CD square. BD square minus CD square. Here AB square equal AC square plus, this is, you can see this part, A square minus B square form is there. We have to remove BD or CD, and in place of this what we need, BC required, BC square is required. Therefore we have to remove it by BD plus CD, A plus B, A plus B, and another is A minus B. Now we have here AB square equal AC square plus this BD plus CD. BD plus CD. Together the length is BC. Together we have BC here. And this BD is equal 3CD. BD equal 3CD, or BD is 3 part out of the 4 part of BC. Whichever way you can do, this is 3CD. Okay, BD is either you can make in this way or you can change CD. Up to you. You can change either BD to CD or CD to BD. Both are given here. AB square minus equal AC square plus BC into, this is equal twice CD. Twice CD minus CD equal twice CD. How many CDs is equal here? 4 CDs is equal. Here 3 CD and this side 1 CD. That means total BC is 4 CD. But we have only how many? 2 CD. So let us multiply all the term by 2. So we will get here twice AB square equal twice AC square plus BC into 2 to the 4 CD. Which is, we can extend as AB square equal twice AC square plus BC into 4 CD is equal to BC. 4 CD which is equal to BC. Here 3 CD and this side 1 CD is there. So total we have the length till here 4 CD is here. Okay, 4 CD length is there. Now you can see twice AB square equal twice AC square plus BC into BC, we have BC square. This is the proof.